All right, a quick village update. So my husband did end up building the structure to go behind the train tunnel. It doesn't have any plywood on it because we're going to use a little bit of styrofoam, and then, we're going to build up. So there's going to be more like little platforms that are going to go on top of this. So he says we're not going to need to waste our plywood on that. He is going to build either today or probably more like tomorrow. He'll build my end tunnel piece, and then I end up fitting all the tables except for the table that has the train tunnel with with the styrofoam base. So all of them have styrofoam base, which before I go any farther, I need to run to the Dollar Tree and grab another tablecloth for the other side of this table because it's got that opening still. I haven't fixed that yet. Then while I'm standing here looking at this morning, I noticed this side of the train track is quite far on the edge. So I can't really shift the train track over this way too much. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move the table over a little bit. Then it'll give me a little bit more of a walkway. I'm almost tempted to take out one of the longer pieces of the train track on both of the sides here and kind of shorten the overall width of the train track up a little bit. So I don't know. But when I move the table over, I have to be careful because I do still need to get in that closet, and it's already kind of tight because of the Christmas tree, which obviously the Christmas tree isn't going to be here the whole season, but I'm going to have to work around it for quite a while. So that's today's update anyhow.